Can you make follow button larger on Instagram? Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on edit profile. Now scroll down. Now tap on contact options. Now enter your email address or phone number. Now tap on OK. Again tap on contacts. Now enable display contact info. Now tap on OK. Now scroll down. Now tap on profile display. Now enable display category label. Now tap on next. Now simply go back. Now as you can see, even after doing all the process, it's not possible to enlarge a follow button on Instagram. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.